Notice of proceeding in Admiralty, formal declaration of maritime jurisdiction. Understanding Admiralty proceedings. Admiralty law, also known as maritime law, governs legal matters related to ships, navigable waters, commerce, and maritime contracts. Courts operating under Admiralty jurisdiction follow specific legal procedures that differ from those in common law courts. Key aspects of Admiralty jurisdiction. Applies to contracts, commerce, and disputes related to maritime activities. Uses special legal procedures distinct from statutory or common law courts. May involve private agreements, sovereign claims, or commercial disputes. Often requires specific jurisdictional acknowledgement by involved parties. Example application. A shipping company files a claim in Admiralty Court to recover damages for cargo lost at sea under a maritime contract. A defendant issues a notice of proceeding in Admiralty to ensure all parties recognize the special jurisdiction governing the case. Legal basis for Admiralty proceedings. 1. U.S. Constitution, Article 3, Section 2, grants federal courts jurisdiction over Admiralty and maritime cases. 2. 46 U.S. Code, Maritime Law Statutes, governs contracts, liability, and enforcement of maritime claims. 3. Supplemental Admiralty Rules, Federal Rules of Civil Procedure, regulate Admiralty proceedings in U.S. courts. 4. International Maritime Conventions, establish rules for shipping, trade, and liability in global commerce. Issuing a notice of proceeding in Admiralty. A notice of proceeding in Admiralty formally establishes that a case will be handled under Admiralty law rather than standard civil or common law jurisdiction. Key components of the notice. Statement of Admiralty jurisdiction. Legal foundation for the case under maritime law. Notification to involved parties of Admiralty procedures. Demand for proper jurisdictional acknowledgement. Example notice format. I, your name, hereby issue this notice of proceeding in Admiralty regarding case description. This matter falls under the jurisdiction of Admiralty law as defined by applicable law/statute. All parties are hereby notified that maritime legal procedures apply, and failure to acknowledge this jurisdiction may result in jurisdictional objections or legal challenges. Legal and practical implications. Ensures proper jurisdictional handling of maritime-related cases. Prevents wrongful application of common or statutory law to Admiralty disputes. Establishes recognition of maritime contracts, liabilities, and legal rights. Conclusion. A notice of proceeding in Admiralty is a critical legal tool for asserting maritime jurisdiction, enforcing maritime contracts, and ensuring proper legal procedures. Understanding and recognizing Admiralty law's unique framework is essential for any case involving shipping, trade, or maritime disputes.